figure, a well-kept countenance, a beautiful mind. The world is made beautiful because of women. But do you know, even the slightest harm can mercilessly take away your health and beauty. Every beautiful, intelligent, self-confident, healthy modern woman needs attentive care. Due to stress stemming from life and work, personal habits, and abrasive external environmental factors, the integrity of your beauty does not become compromised by a variety of gynecological afflictions. According to the data released by the WHO, 40% of adult females are afflicted with infections of the reproductive system and other gynecological diseases to various degrees. The rate is as high as 83.6% among married women. More so, and not to be ignored, is the fact that 62% of these diseases are caused by the use of poor quality sanitary napkins when women are having their menstrual period. The China National Quality Control Department conducted a sampling survey of sanitary napkins in the market and found that over 50% of the products did not measure up to the standard. Being a necessity for all women, the sanitary napkin is part and parcel of a woman's life for at least 40 years. Substandard sanitary napkins causing them to run the risk of vulnerability to bacterial infestation, resulting in infection with symptoms such as genital itching and inflammation, cervicitis, vaginitis, increased leukorrhea, distending lower abdominal pain, headache, abdominal pain, and edema during menstrual periods. Sanitary napkins have become the modern-day woman's killer. Choosing the right sanitary napkin is protecting one's health and beauty. Jiangsu Longli Qi Biotechnology Company Limited conceptualizes the spirit of science and technology to lead a healthy life. After 4 years of painstaking research, we now have the grand launch of the Superbklean Magnetic Sanitary Napkin. This is a women's health care with real action, so that women can experience the excitement of unlimited healthy living. To make a woman's menstrual period more comfortable, Superbklean Sanitary Napkin provides 8 layers of intimate protective care to easily handle the various menstrual discomforts suffered by women, so that each day of her period can be comfortable, healthy, beautiful, and happy. In order to allow us to distinguish more clearly what a high-quality sanitary napkin is, from the scene below, people can experience the perfection of the special features of Longli Qi's Superbklean Magnetic Sanitary Napkin, making them the woman's reproductive health management expert.
Let us first examine the packaging. Superbklean Sanitary Napkin uses food-grade aluminum foil paper with a resealable opening, so as to offer better resistance to damp, mold, and bacteria. It should be noted that most competing sanitary napkins on the market use disposable plastic packaging, which is not environmentally friendly, with openings that are not resealable, thus allowing intrusion of bacteria. Looking at the internal packaging of Superbklean, we note that each individual napkin is sealed in a 360-degree airtight packaging on a completely automatic and sterilized production line, ensuring safety and thus avoiding any form of secondary contamination during production. Competing sanitary napkins use easily exposable non-airtight inner packaging, making them easily exposed to secondary contamination. Feature 2. Examine the features of the napkin proper. The napkin has a perfect 8-layer structure, including a strip with magnetic, anion, and far-infrared properties for the purposes of delivering the healthful benefits of magnetism, eliminating odors, and relieving menstrual discomfort. Competing napkins usually only have a simple 3-layer structure. Next, we will explain in detail the function of our magic strip. The strip found in the Superbklean Magnetic Sanitary Napkin consists of 3 types of energy-giving properties, namely patented biomagnetism, anions, and far-infrared, forming this magic multifunction strip. Magnetism can stimulate the human body's magnetic field so as to speed up the discharge of toxins during menstrual periods. with anti-inflammatory and analgesic functions. Anions, acclaimed as guardians of the human body, can purify the vaginal environment and prevent menses from breeding anaerobic bacteria, so as to eliminate odor and prevent itching. Infrared is the light of life and can stimulate local blood circulation and microcirculation, prevent gynecological diseases, and relieve dysmenorrhea by increasing the local temperature. Next, we will use a specially designed professional testing instrument to detect the infused magnetism. As you pass the tester across the strip, you will hear the words "test passed," whereas other sanitary napkins will not react in the same way. Feature 3. Soft comfort. Sanitary napkins are used on a sensitive part of a woman's body. Thus, their comfort is very important, and we feel the difference upon touch. The first layer of Superbklean Sanitary Napkin consists of premium soft cotton, which is tender and enhances the feeling of comfort. Competing products usually consist of a rough and hard surface made of synthetic materials, thus being the main cause of genital irritation and itching and discomfort. Feature 4. Prevention of side leakage. Observe the leak-proof design. Superbklean has unique three-dimensional flaps as effective protection against side leakage after menstrual flow, whereas other products consist of a simple pressed design that hardly protects against side leakage after menstrual flow. Feature 5. Moisture-locking absorbency. One of the measures of a good sanitary napkin is its moisture-locking absorbency. Now we will use 50 milliliters of water to mimic the largest volume a woman may lose at one sitting during her period to do a comparative moisture-locking absorbency test. Please observe the difference in moisture-absorbent capacity of the two napkins. The surface of Superbklean Sanitary Napkin is completely dry, whereas the surface of the other product is quite wet. Feature 6. Structural comparison. Below, we can observe what happens when we compare these two products. Superbklean's third layer is our multifunctional strip. After wetting the multifunctional strip with water and testing, you will notice that it still maintains its magnetic property. We will now compare using two cigarettes, with one of the cigarette's tips wrapped in the magnetic strip. After placing for 3 minutes, we will now test to see the difference in odor of the two cigarettes. The cigarette not wrapped has a normal, strong cigarette odor. Meanwhile, the cigarette which had been wrapped in the magnetic strip has a significantly noticeable reduction in odor. The faint smell of the cigarette smoke indicates the effects of anions and far infrared in the strip. Superbklean's fourth and sixth layers are composed of sterilized, soft, air-laid paper, which wraps the superabsorbent natural polymer in a 360-degree covering. They absorb impurities and enhance softness and comfort. Superbklean's fifth layer is a superabsorbent wood fiber polymer imported from Japan with excellent water-locking absorbency capacity. We can now observe that all the water in our cup has been absorbed. And this demonstration proves that the absorbency capacity of Superbklean Sanitary Napkin is 3 to 5 times that of ordinary sanitary napkins. Other competing products consist of unrefined or recycled cotton with other chemical and carcinogenic components which are harmful to the human body. Feature 7. Permeability. The permeability of a napkin is a determining factor in its comfort. Furthermore, what determines permeability is the bottom layer. On the bottom layer of Superbklean, the seventh layer, are found microscopic pores which are formed using a laser boring technique, permitting the bottom layer to be air permeable yet impervious. And the adhesive used is food grade. with neither toxicity nor side effects. The bottom layer of competing products is made from plastic, thus making it impermeable to air and impervious, and the adhesive is industrial in nature, leaving a hazardous residue on the underwear. As is evident, the bottom layer of Superbklean is air permeable yet leak-proof. The Superbklean Sanitary Napkin Dynamic Set also comes with a unique self-test kit and contrast cards, which permit a woman to keep abreast of her own personal health. By now, hopefully we have been deeply enlightened as to the advanced technological construction and exceptional advantages of Superbklean. Let us now hear what those who have used it have to say.
自从使用了清新卫生巾，我和身边的朋友都感受到了它的神奇，用起来非常舒爽透气，再也没有量多时侧漏之类的困扰了。我好几个朋友的痛经都缓解了不少嘞。用了清新直动力卫生巾，再也不怕侧漏啦！
Здравствуйте, я из России. Раньше я пользовалась обыкновенными прокладками, но я чувствовала себя как-то, может быть, не самоуверенно, не комфортно. Но с тех пор, как я пользуюсь прокладками Тинь-Синь, все изменилось. Я чувствую себя удобно, я могу заниматься спортом, могу вести активный образ жизни. Мне очень нравится. Я чувствую себя самоуверенно и комфортно.
This time of the month has always been difficult for me, like for everyone, for you. But ever since using Qingxin sanitary napkins, it is much easier. And I want to tell all my friends about this good news. Also, I like the package, which is not only convenient and sanitary, but also environmentally friendly.
Every woman is in the pursuit of a better quality of life and desires to be a healthy and beautiful woman. More so, one who loves and takes care of themselves. Choosing Superbklean Magnetic Sanitary Napkin is choosing a healthy life. The health and protection that Superbklean Magnetic Sanitary Napkin offers will permit more and more women to enjoy the beauty of everyday health and experience the unlimited joy of healthy living. Superbklean Magnetic Sanitary Napkin. Technology to help in leading you to a healthier life. To love a woman, start with Superbklean.